Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to add a recurring task to your Todoist task list. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Todoist.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the tasks that you have scheduled for today. So guys, if you can see I have here a couple of tasks that I have to do today, and if you look at the left side of the screen, you can also see options to view your tasks. You can see your inbox, you can see upcoming tasks in the next couple of days, you can see your filters and labels and then find your tasks and so on. You can even see your projects right here, so you can more easily group your tasks into projects so you can find them later. But let's go back to the main page, and you can see I have a task right here called YouTube tutorial that says create a video, and I want to make this a recurring task that appears like every Friday at 5 p.m. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this right now. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up that task that you want to make recurring, or you can just go ahead and create a new task. I'm going to open up this task, and now this will open up this new window where you will be able to edit your task. So if you look at the right side of the screen, you have your due date option right here. And if you click on due date, you can see that you can either set it for tomorrow or later or some other option in the calendar, but you can't set it to recurring. But guys, all you have to do to make it recurring is just to type in this into the option right here. You want to go ahead and type in the due date. You want to type in every day at 5 p.m. Let's say every day at 5 p.m. and now it will give you the option to repeat every day at 5 p.m. or every Friday. I'm going to go ahead and type in every Friday, and now you can see it repeats every Friday at 5 p.m. Go ahead and select that option, and now guys, we have successfully made a task recurring. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. And as you can see, guys, now you can see, let's go to the upcoming task. Here is the Friday option. And as you can see, here is our YouTube tutorial task. And now it will have this recurring option right here that says that it will appear every Friday. Here is the option that tells us that it is a recurring task. So yeah, guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.